gentlemen, para, it gives the pleasure to extend a warm welcome to you on behalf of the syndicate and on my own to this seminar. The majority of you present here today are leaders in education either at the university or at your institutions. You are experts in your subject and have gathered rich experience on the many-sided problems of higher education that have been facing us during the last 2 decades. I am confident that you will be able to contribute practical suggestions to overcome the defects. By this context, I may remind you that at any time, the university or the government desires a change to be brought in the field of education. They could not go to anyone else for advice than to you. You have a great responsibility towards the betterment of higher education in the university, and hence a premium is placed on your views. You are at liberty to discuss various phases of education at this seminar without any reservation, and hope you will exercise your freedom in voicing your feelings for the betterment of educational standards in the university. Since your views need to be considered on higher level when actual implementation is to be affected, I would request everyone of the participants to put his thoughts in writing so that they could be considered as proceedings of the seminar when published. Para, during my visits to your colleges, I had enjoyed extreme hospitality and learned much by discussion with you. Many a time I had felt that a seminar of this nature would afford you and me an opportunity to come together, exchange our thoughts and plan out a schedule for future action both at the university center and in the affiliated colleges. Para, let us have a rapid review of developments in educational planning in our country. For over 2 centuries, various commissions and agencies have offered practical and realistic suggestions. Stop.